Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video. Today we are in San Francisco. Cue the clip. Alright, so we woke up at 2 in the morning to go to the airport, get on the plane, got here at 7 a.m. and then took the BART train and the local metro to get to our first stop of the Golden Gate Bridge. If you watched our Bahama videos, you know that unfortunately we do not have a drone controller at the moment. We just purchased another one, so we won't have any drone footage from San Francisco, but we hope you enjoy this video. So that right there is Angel Island, and only 60 people live on that island. So we walked across the Golden Gate Bridge. We then took an Uber to Murr National Monument, something like that. And we're in these beautiful redwood trees. So we're gonna go explore the forest. Seriously wish y'all could smell what we smell. It smells like Christmas, and it's awesome.
We just got done doing the trails here at the National Park, and it is now 12:51 here in California. and now we are going to get a taxi to go to San Francisco downtown, and go eat something because we're hungry as heck. So we're gonna go see if there's a taxi that accepts card. Alrighty, so we're back on the bridge after a very costly taxi ride from that park to here. And we're not even across the bridge, we're just like getting across the bridge. So we got charged $55 just for like a 15-minute drive from that park to here. I'm like, bro.
When it
like,
only costs $25 to get there from that same exact point.
Yeah, and like, I was like, bro, like, you know, it's like $28. It costs us $28 to get there through Uber. But no, since there's no signal, like phone signal there, and you can't really use your phone, they can take advantage of you, and they make you pay $55 just to get to that location over there, which is stupid, but you know, San Francisco, what can you expect?
Anyway, we're gonna walk across the bridge and then take a bus to go get food.
Yeah, because we're both hungry. But anyways, yes, let's just cross, whatever. After a long while of walking, probably like half an hour or so, we are finally getting to the end of the bridge, which is where we're gonna catch the bus. It's been a long walk. But I'm excited to go downtown and actually go eat something because I'm freaking hungry as heck.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's get on this bus and go, I guess. Now that we are here after a long, crazy moving bus ride, now we're gonna go eat, and then I don't know what we're gonna do next. So we're making our way to go eat now. Alrighty, so after a delicious lunch, we got some tapioca tea. It's pretty good. We're sipping and enjoying the walk, basically. Alright, so I guess we made it to the steepest,
Windiest.
I have a story to tell y'all, but I'll do that when not so many people are here. But for now, let's enjoy this going uphill. So yeah, we go to Chinatown and we go to this store called New Age Camera or something. And there was a guy that came up to me and basically offered me a wide angle lens for the Osmo. So I was like, oh cool, I've never seen those. And I asked him how much it was, and he was like, I think it was like 50 something. No,
Originally he said it was like 120.
Yeah.
I was like, nah, it can't be 120.
Yeah, so I mean, I kind of went along with it, I guess. So then we saw a Osmo waterproof case, which, I mean, I thought it was a little bit more than 150. It was not. Basically, we got ripped off at that store. So if you're ever around Chinatown here in San Francisco, do not go to that store and do not buy anything from that store, because they will rip you off. And I should have known better, but at the moment I was not really sinking in, and so we kind of got ripped off. So again, don't go to that store. It's on the main strip. You'll see it. It has a bunch of cameras outside in the window. But aside from that, I mean, we bought it, whatever. So anyways, yes, don't go to that store. And if they try to sell you something, don't buy it, because you're gonna get ripped off. I read a couple of reviews that of people that got ripped off by really high amounts. Life lessons. Anyways, we're going downhill from what is it?
Lombard Street.
Which was
Longest road in America.
Which was pretty cool. Quite honestly, I've never been there, so it was pretty cool seeing it in person. I've seen pictures, but I've never seen it in person. That was pretty awesome. And now we're going to
Fisherman's Pier,
which I think is pretty nice. I think it's ahead. So, so yeah. So as you probably are able to tell, we made it to the pier. We've been here for about, half an hour maybe. We've been going into stores and stuff and scouting the area. It's pretty nice. There's a lot of stores too. I think after this we're going to go to Ghirardelli, the chocolate company. Ghirardelli.
because we want chocolate.
She wants chocolate. But it's been fun so far. It's a beautiful sunset back there. I love the sunset. We're gonna keep walking, keep exploring a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the chocolate company and do whatever the heck we want to do. We're just barely at the entrance and it smells like chocolate. Real good. Alright, so obviously we went and got her ice cream, and I also got a root beer float, even though it's cold. So, oh well. Alright, just an update. We have not made it yet. We're still walking there. We actually have to get another bus, and then we'll be there. The both of my cameras are dead, and now all there is to use is my phone. That's fine.
So it's a little dark, but we've made it to Painted Ladies. I don't think you can see it, but it's really pretty.